Hello everyone. I recently came across certain interesting facts about certain hormones in our body and their effect on mind. Yes, it's the happy hormones. I've tried a few hacks over these happy hormones and I thought it would help you guys. So this video is going to be about hacks on happy hormones. So now I have the entire list of the hormones and few hacks which I have already tried, and here we go with the video. So the first hormone is serotonin. I consider this hormone as the entire controller of our moods, and it is the first happy hormone which I'm going to talk about. Okay, let me mention a few physical activities first. The first one is running or jogging. This is that type of activity which shuts out our brain completely, and it helps us to lift up our moods, and it keeps us active throughout the day. So the first thing is go for a run or a jog, and then give yourself a walk through the nature. The typical blues and those green hues actually help us to relax our brain and also lift up our mood. And then comes the intense workouts, which I consider to say as skipping or cycling. These are that type of workouts that help us to lift up our brain completely and also involves the entire body in those activities, and thus help us to relax ourselves too. And then I suggest you to give a visit to a nearby water body. It can be a lake or beach or a river. These typical sound waves actually help us to relax ourselves, and this suits our mind too. So give a visit to a water body or go for a swim. And then comes endorphins. These are the soothing hormones, in fact the painkiller. The production of this endorphins can be majorly increased by aromatherapy. Yes, it has become quite popular these days. The usage of essential oils like the lavender oil, rose water even, or the chamomile oil, all these have those properties of calming down the brain that keeps the stress away and suits us. Not only the essential oils, but also these incense sticks which we usually use in our household. These have those specific scents that calms down our brain and also brings all the chaos to a point with that divine feeling. The third hormone is oxytocin. Yes, the love hormone. It is that hormone that helps us to settle down at our pace, and also its production is increased when we realize this fact. The first way is to appreciate the things around you. Give it a compliment that helps you to understand its value, and also you feel a little precious. So give a compliment to the things and people around you. The second way is hug your parents or your friends, your family, or give that attention to them. This helps you to feel secure, lovable, and also happy. And playing with a dog or a baby. These innocent creatures are the ultimate stress busters. Trust me, this works. The last and the most important hormone is dopamine. Yeah, it is the rewarding chemical in our body. It gives us that sense of satisfaction from within. So dopamine is like all about making time for yourself. The production of this hormone can be increased with giving attention to yourself. So the first one is list out certain tasks and complete them. It can be cooking for yourself or doing certain household chores, and celebrate those wins once you complete them. This gives you a sense of achievement from within. And the next one is giving time for yourself. Yes, the self-care time. It is utmost required, especially for those who don't listen to their body. So listen to your body and mind and do what is required for yourself. Give that attention to your body and mind. And then eating your favorite food. I know this is the best part. So it's time for dope. So these are certain hacks about these 4 happy hormones which I have personally tried and observed the changes eventually. And these little hacks help us to deal with many big things and gives us great accomplishment. Trust me. I hope this video helps. Stay happy and stay smiling.